Have you faced a similar problem recently where you are not able to open an Office file that you have downloaded from the internet? It could be a Word, PowerPoint or an Excel file. And when you try to open it, this message shows up on your screen. This file couldn't open in protected view. Let's fix this issue. Right-click on the file, click More Options. Then choose Properties. All you have to do now is to check the box that says Unblock. And you are done. The file is now working perfectly.